In a small town called Greenville, a group of adventurous kids named Alex, Mia, and Jake loved exploring the wonders of nature. One day, while cleaning up a local park, they stumbled upon an ancient-looking device hidden beneath some leaves. Little did they know that this discovery would change their lives forever. As they dusted off the device, they realized it was a time-traveling machine. Excited and curious, they pressed a few buttons, and suddenly, the world around them swirled with colors and lights. Before they knew it, they found themselves in a different time period, the prehistoric era, surrounded by towering dinosaurs and lush vegetation. As they explored the prehistoric world, the kids were awestruck by the beauty of nature in its raw form. However, they also witnessed how natural disasters and human actions affected the environment even back then. Volcanic eruptions and asteroid impacts left scars on the Earth, reminding them of the planet's fragility. Their time-traveling adventures continued as they visited ancient civilizations like the Maya, the Indus Valley, and ancient Greece. While marveled by the advancements of these cultures, they also saw how unsustainable practices led to their decline. Deforestation, overfishing, and pollution took their toll on the environment and affected the people's way of life. The kids then found themselves in the 18th century during the Industrial Revolution. They saw the rapid growth of industries, which brought prosperity but also pollution and exploitation of natural resources. Witnessing the smog-filled cities and polluted rivers, they understood the importance of responsible industrialization. Throughout their time travels, the kids learned crucial lessons about the consequences of irresponsible behavior on the environment. They felt a deep sense of responsibility to protect the planet's future. Returning to their own time, they decided to form the time-traveling cleanup crew to raise awareness about environmental issues and take action to make a difference. Armed with knowledge from the past, the cleanup crew organized cleanup drives in Greenville and nearby areas. They educated their community about sustainable practices and the importance of preserving natural habitats. Their efforts inspired more kids and adults to join the cause. The time-traveling machine had one more surprise for the kids. It took them to a glimpse of the future, where they saw the devastating consequences of neglecting the environment. It was a world struggling with extreme weather events, scarcity of resources, and vanishing wildlife. Witnessing the possible future solidified their determination to protect the planet. The cleanup crew intensified their efforts, advocating for renewable energy, reducing waste, and supporting conservation initiatives. Their actions sparked a global movement, with kids all around the world uniting to protect the environment. The impact of the time-traveling cleanup crew was felt far and wide. Their story inspired generations to come. The kids, now grown-ups, looked back with pride, knowing that their adventurous spirit had shaped a sustainable future for Earth. The legacy of the time-traveling cleanup crew lived on, reminding all that every individual's actions, no matter how small, could make a significant difference in protecting our planet.